Hi Leo, welcome to your reading, and this is for Leo ascendant, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement in their chart. Jupiter may resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. Cross watchers, if I described someone, you know that it is not you, then it is not you. Just because you are connecting with Leo, you're gonna assume that whom I am describing here is you. Please don't, this is not a personal reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, then welcome. You might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online wherein I am doing a live streaming. And in the live stream, you can ask me questions. If you missed the live streaming, then you can still ask me questions. There is a link in the description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. And if you want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So Leo, if you are into twin flame readings, almost personal readings, pick a card and channel messages, then subscribe to the other channel, that is Timeless Tarot 111. And I would gladly appreciate if you can click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment down below. So Leo, we will start with the numbers. It could be lucky numbers, angel numbers, date, time, height that you may resonate with. We have number 4. Again, these are for the collectives. Number 4, angel number 444. 4 is here, so 4 is 33. We have number 6. That's number 6, number 6, number 8, number 7, number 0. I think we have angel number 606 as well, right? Could be 60, 80, 700, 303, 330. And what's important here is the angel number 606, 4444. So check those angel number meaning. Shuffle the numbers. You might resonate with this. And we will check one specific message from the Book of Answers. Give it all you've got. I'm not saying that you're doing things half-baked, but you may probably have doubts with regard to this specific energy, right? I think that the universe is telling you, you know, it's a win-win situation when you give your 100% on a specific project, on a specific energy. If this is a relationship, right, at least you did your best, right? It's not half-baked. If this is a project, then no one wants to have, you know, a half-baked score, right? Or what do you call this, result, right? So I think that you still got some more, you know, you can still push for it. Your first oracle card is, I think that it's really kind of pouring 100%, because the best is yet to come. I think that your person, it could be you, it could be your person. Cross watchers, if you feel like this is your reading, so be it. And Leo, if you feel like you are in a cross watcher side, well, that is okay. I am not reading which side you at. I am reading the energy, more of your person, you know, kind of really devoted into this connection. If this is not you, then your person, you know, trust the person. There may be, you know, dishes takes time to really, for you to have a great meal, you know. Speaking of half-baked, we have food here. More of, right, if you rush that, especially if that's a cake, right, you can't rush a good cake, right? There is proper measurement in it. You can also overcook food because it won't taste good. It will burn. Um, the right amount. With a with a four of swords in here and a knight of pentacles, I think that probably you are kind of really tired now. Um, well, tired of getting the happiness. You feel that you're running out of time. Things are getting slow, right? You're losing the appetite for the connection because you're not seeing this coming to fruition. Um, you don't know how to fasten these things up. You're kind of like thinking, overthinking. Actually, this is what I'm seeing. I think that you also have tried different tricks in this, but you feel that it's not happening. So how can I be sure that my person has a loyal heart, right? But you know what? It may be hidden from you, but you're going to taste the the result, in the proper in the right time here. Divine timing is at work, but um here you are. Your response to this is, I'll just let it be, which is also good, right? When it comes to manifestation, just manifest it, believe in it, and it will happen, right? On the other side, see, they're about to, they are actually energetically investing already. It is not just showing, because as you can see, that here you are looking, right? But they are kind of hiding their true emotions, their true intentions, probably because this person feels like being vulnerable is a sign of weakness. But I can see here that it will change with the Wheel of Fortune. I think that there's some forcing you with a King of Swords in here, or in this side. It might not be you, it may be the Cross Watcher. So there's an energetic separation here. There's always a fight, right? You know, kind of, why do you need to force me to say it? Why do you need to force me? Is that your basis? This is how I am interpreting this side. Is that your basis for me to telling you that I love you? Or is it really important for me to verbalize it? Or is it much better for me to just do it, right? This person believes that action speaks louder than words. You you want to hear it, probably, right? You're kind of like pushing for it. With Queen of Swords in here, the force is actually in this side, right? Because I want stability, you know. I'm not just satisfied with, um, I'm not satisfied with the work. I don't know what you're, I can't interpret action, probably. This is what I'm seeing here, right? Um, Chances are, I think one of your tricks here is disconnecting, connecting, disconnecting, connecting, right? So it's on repeat. Um, oh wow. You're testing the waters, you're testing their patience, you're testing how they will react. So here they are, okay. Um, I will say it, right? With the Two of Wands, it's already there. It may take time, but I'm going to say it. I don't want you to get hurt. They don't want you to get hurt. That's the most important thing here. But with the Hermit here, I think that they will going to say it in a different manner. Um, it could be much more creative with the Hermit with a lot of wisdom. But soon enough, you're going to hear it, feel it. I think that what you're waiting for, I think that you're probably creating a delicate meal. That is true. You're creating a delicacy. It's not just an everyday meal. It's for a special occasion. So it takes time, right? And this is abundant. So Leo, the zodiac signs here can be a placement in their chart, your person's sun sign, or a placement in your chart. Well, we have Taurus. You might be connecting with the same sign. Sagittarius. Um, Scorpio is here. We have Virgo, right? All of the elements are actually here. So this is your reading. Um, Thank you so much. If you have some questions with the reading, or if you have some personal questions, there's a link in the description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my page. Tap in your questions and then click submit. If you want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So Leo, I would gladly appreciate if you can click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment down below. If you're satisfied with the reading, click the like button. And if you don't want a yes or no, that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you're waiting for the yes or no, I will be placing it here in the middle. And if you want to change the question, then click the pause button. But I'm gonna speed it now. So Leo, the answer for that question is ask a friend, communicate with the person, directly ask this to a person that is for you. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Goodbye, Leo.